today,
So, yeah.
Wednesday.
Ako
And
si AJ.
Archibald just wants
Simula kayo.
everyone to
Nandito
be
na ako.
safe. And if
Na-inspired ako kay Ate
anybody can
Tuesday.
extend their help to
And
those who
yeah,
are affected,
shoutout kay
they're
Ate
very
Tuesday
welcome
kasi
to do
she's
so. As
really
of
helping
now,
me
Karen,
coping up
the
in my
flood has
this
subsided,
anxiety
especially here in the
disorder.
northern
So, yeah.
part of central
And for and
Cebu.
foremost,
But the residents continue to
um,
reel in the effects of the typhoon that
this
ravaged
video
this area
is gonna be the
yesterday. And as the
last.
latest here from
Like,
Cebu, I'm
really
Perez, ABS-CBN
last
News.
dahil ayoko nang matrigger palalo yung girlfriend ko. And I also wanna stop this one. And I just want to, um, say my thoughts. Alisin na tong nararamdaman na to. Kasi wala din, di matatapos tong issue na to sa aming tatlo. Well, to give you an insight is that um, well, ako, I do have a partner, and also yung partner ko meron siyang ex, and may ex siya, then may partner na rin. Then yung partner niya is she's a edu student. I think Bachelor of Science Education in PE ata ang kinukuha, and I think she's third year, and yun yung niyayabang niya kasi mag-graduate na siya. And ang partner niya is yung police, yung ex ng partner ko, my current partner. So, to make it short, we do have a like mga conversation, nagkasakitan, mga nagkabatuhan ng mga words na masasakit. Like, um, I said ng parang gumanti lang ako so sinabi nung pulis, like, siya yung unang nagsabi sa akin na wala akong pinag-aralan, which is mali siya doon kasi may pinag-aralan ako, high school grad po ako, mali siya doon. Pangalawa, call center lang ako. Pangatlo, minura niya ako, niyabangan niya ako na she has a iPhone 16 fully paid, she has a car, she has a stable job, and na kasi may business daw sila and everything, yeah, the kind of typical na yabang na hindi naman daw siya nagyayabang. And nilait niya yung girlfriend ko, tinawag niyang damulag, balyena, pangit, like, really, coming from you, both of you actually. It's just that dahil na-trigger na naman ako, especially this week lang, trigger ako dahil nasa work at hindi ko disclose. So it's malala talaga kasi like I'm hurting myself, and it really make me feel na parang susuko na ako time. Then we go to the doctor kasi na-diagnose talaga ako ng anxiety disorder, and I have to be rest for 1 week kasi baka pag bumalik ako ng Davao ngayon or nung nangyari yun or kahapon or baka hindi ko kaya, we don't know, kaya na siya aatake. So, sa lahat ng may anxiety disorder, anything mental health disorder, guys, let's use this platform to help one another. Tulad ng ginagawa ni Ate Tuesday ngayon. Shout out kay Ate Tuesday Vargas. She's really an eye-opener, especially yung nangyari kay Emma at Yansa. So, back to the story. So, I really want this to ended. So yun na nga, naka-bed rest ako. Hindi ako nagmamalinis kasi alam ko meron naman din akong kasalanan or kasi pinapatulan ko. Kasi, bakit ko pinapatulan? Kasi she keep on dragging me. Although, let's say wala akong pangalan doon. At ganoon din yung ginagawa ko, wala akong pangalan. But I know and she knows na ako yung pinapatamaan niya. At ganoon din siya dun sa mga ano. So lately, we've been doing TikToks. Like, yung mga TikToks lang na, yung mga, I'm in a villain era, and then, I see, minsan hindi mo kasi, kahit hindi mo naman gustuhin, napuntahan yung account ng tao na yun. But may parang yung kahit na nanahimik ka, then may magsasabi si, uy, nag-post na naman si ganito. So, alam mo yun, hindi ko kayo pinapakailaman. Just to let you know, both of you, hindi ko na kayo pinapakailaman. May nagsasabi lang talaga po sa akin. So, bakit ako nag-trigger? Kasi may nagsasabi nga sa akin na although wala naman akong pakialam, kasi wala talagang pakialam sa inyo. And hindi ako insecure like what you're saying, sabi nung girlfriend mo. Insecure ako sa'yo kasi why? And sorry to say, wala kang kay security te. Promise, wala kang security sa'yo. You're saying because you're a police officer, professional ka, kasi may bachelor degree ka. Okay, I'll give you that. wait for me for 6 years. Bibigyan ko rin kayo ng bachelor degree na sinasabi mo. Sorry but I just want to say, parang nag-start ako mag-work with 17 years old, so dami ko na nakilalang tao, dami ko na nakasama. So imagine, yung kung sino pa, hindi ko nila lahat po disclose or ano lang, hindi ko po nila lahat. Pero bakit kung sino pa yung may mga bachelor degrees, yung may mga pinag-aralan, like yung nasa government, teacher, police, lawyer, yung sinasabi nyo na may degree kayo, bakit kayo pa po yung nang bababa sa aming mga tao na walang pinag-aralan daw, na high school grad lang, na call center agent lang, na yung nilalang mo na call center agent is we're the one who's giving you the salary or yung tax po namin. Malaki po yung tax namin. Malaki rin yung tax nyo, I know, pero mas malaki po yung sa amin. Diba? Civilian ako. You're in my uniform. Then you keep on, alam mo, yayabangan mo ako. Then you're threatening me na pupunta ka sa office. For what? Go. I will definitely help you. Kung paano pumunta ng office, sasama kita. At isasama ko pa yung TM ko, yung HR, and everything kung sino yung gusto mo makausap, go. I dare you, please go. Yung office namin nasa IBEX, SM Lanang, let me know. Let me know if pupunta ka kasi site 3, tatlong site yon, so baka mawala ka, kawawa ka naman. So, yun. Kaya ako sinasabi na go. Pumunta kayo kasi we will wait for you. And you will see. Hindi ako sinagyayabang. You will see kung anong mangyayari. At ayoko nang mangyayari to pero sige. Because you keep on mocking me or tinatakot mo ako na may kalalagyan ako. Okay, sige, okay lang. Tatanggapin ko naman consequence ko. I'm really gonna accept that. Pero tanggapin nyo rin. Tanggapin mo rin lalo ka na. You're a police officer. Again, police officer ka, civilian ako. Pwede kitang balikan din. Kasi you're gonna harass me. You're harassing me. Also, that's also, inaano mo ako sa work ko. Pwede kitang balikan. Kasi, unang-una, yung nangyayari sa atin is not related to my work. Anong pakialam sa inyo ng company ko? Anong pakialam sa inyo ng TM ko? Kung meron tayo ganitong conversation, may ganito tayo awe, pagtatawanan lang kayo, swear. I'm saying this because this is gonna happen. Hindi ko tinatakot. I'm just saying lang po. Ganun po ang mangyayari. Yung sasabihin mo sa TM ko na ugali ko, ganon, ugaling aso, mayabang, lahat. You can say it all to my BTL, but you know what my TM will say in HR? Ano yung sabihin sa'yo? Nagtatrabaho po ba yung partner mo sa company namin? Wala. So, katawa-tawa lang kayo pag pumunta kayo. Punta kayo. Kasi pagkapunta nyo, then nagreklamo kayo, ako naman ang pupunta sa police station at doon tayo maghaharap. You know, what I'm going to say? Rereklamo din kita. Kasi pumunta ka sa office ko, na ano mo kami, na disturbo mo kami, na dapat nag-work kami, di ba? We'll give you time. Kasi yun yung gusto mo parang gusto mo attention seeker ka You think you're the main character. Like, tayo walang ka-insecurity sa inyo talaga. Una-una wala kang reading comprehension. You only select the words that you want to hear or you want to read. Hindi ako nagmamayabang, ma'am, sir. Dito to yung sinasabi ko. Huwag niyo akong yayabangan na yung business niyo is nag-grow or nag-earn ng 28,000 in 2 days. Like, I don't care. And, yeah. Yun lang. So, yeah. Again, sa mga makakanood man neto, hindi ako nag-ano ng kakampi kasi kaya ko talaga mag-isa. Kaya ko talaga harapin. Kaya ko kayo harapin. And again, I'm doing this just to end this. I wanna end this day. Update ko lang kayo kung sakaling pumunta talaga sila, di ba? But yeah, this is for the for mental na rin. Hindi ko na rin gagawin ko sa inyong dalawa So yeah, I hope this video will help you, both of you. And yeah, para na rin sa girlfriend ko. Dahil ayokong nagkaka-anxiety siya dahil sa ganyan-ganyan. So, this is gonna be the end. I'll stop. And goodbye. Bye both of you. Naka-block na kayo. Bahala na kayo kung gagawa kayo na. Yeah, guys, thank you for listening and keep safe and sorry again. Peace.